What is up, YouTube? Today we are here. You can see my trailer over there in the background. That's where we're going to be fishing tonight. Wheatland, Wisconsin. And today we're going to be trying to catch whatever presents itself. So far we were able to catch a northern pike, which is actually pretty cool. But from there we're going to go on and see what else we can get. The plan is for carp and catfish from here on. Stay tuned. We start casting for bottom feeders. If you're not in the snags, you're not on top of the fish, right? That's the saying. Just pulled up to our awesome Fox River location where I was planning on carp and catfishing, but I figured what the hell, throw a spinnerbait out since we just fished Vern Wolf Lake and caught all those pike. And guess what? First cast along this shoreline right here. Water is up, I'd say about 2.5, 3 feet, but I'm not completely sure. I'm not local to the area, but look at that. Beautiful northern pike here. Fox River. Going in for the release. Good way to start it out. Yeah, we caught that guy right here on my spinnerbait, guys. Same spinnerbait we were using at Vern Wolf Lake, but today we are at Fox River out here in Wheatland, Wisconsin. Stay tuned. Nice job, dumbass!
What?
Nobody likes the butt of the bread, not even the fish.
I like the butt of the bread.
So we're gonna put bread on, guys. That's what we're gonna start our first rod out here with on the bottom. Oh, it actually looks like there might be a carp right here. Look at all these bubbles. It's gotta be.
In that case, if you do catch one, can I reel it in?
Oh yeah, it's not a clean bottom though.
No?
Yep.
Oh, can I reel it in?
No, I don't got one, Joan.
Oh.
Thing, it's not a clean bottom here.
Whoa. That jump. That was that jump of your lure.
All right, so I found there's a little hole right here to the left that's actually really clean. So we're just gonna focus on that. I'll bait that little area. We're gonna do fine right there.
You want to put your batteries back in the truck?
My batteries? Oh yeah. Last time when I tried bread, it seemed like they wanted corn more, but
No one wanted butter in it.
like I said, we'll see. Yeah.
Now they're probably gonna yell at you, just so you know.
No, I'm gonna yell at him. Oh no, he's slowing down. What? 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 Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I didn't touch your face.
You're all good, man.
You're good.
Have a great night.
Catching any?
A few small ones.
We almost have one.
Thanks for slowing down, man. That's a big ass motor. That is a big ass motor. Nice. Here, come. Yeah, you can, buddy. Here. Get your fingers on there. Don't let that go, okay?
Yeah, won't.
Yeah, hold that. It's a strong one.
Just hold it tight. Reel it slow.
Try to pick that rod up, Joan.
Pick that right up a little higher. Very good. If you're swimming away, you can pause for a second. Oh no!
Ah. Again.
Oh no.
All right.
That sucks.
We'll
but
keep it going. We got
it's
2
fine.
lost carp on. 2 carp on, 2 carp off. Got one, guys. Got one. That's why you need the rod holder. That's why you need the rod holder. Nice. Oh boy. It's been a while since I fought a carp, man. These are awesome. These are great fighters. Such strong fish. Strong, strong fish. Gonna have to bring them up this little embankment here. All right, guys, there we are. A very nice common carp here, Fox River. Out here in a random spot, Wheatland, Wisconsin. Did a little boondocking. We had 2 really good runs. Fish got away from us. They ran, they were on there, they were hooked on there, but just ended up getting away. Starting again and got one already on corn. Corn seems to be the ticket over here. I keep getting taps on bread, but corn seems to be the thing that's getting us actually fish on the line. Beautiful morning. Getting ready to go to the campground. But right now we're just enjoying this beautiful spot along the Fox River. Nice and calm, peaceful morning as we go in for the release. All right, we got one on here, Joan. I don't know what it is, but it feels weird. This is weird, whatever oh, you know what? This might be a turtle or something. Yeah, we got a soft shell turtle, Joan.
Soft shell turtle?
Yeah.
What?
All right, guys. So we finally caught one. He got right there on his leg, you could see. That's where he got the hook after he's eaten our bird. He just bit my camera. He's a little feisty, but no, don't bite the hook. Don't bite the hook, buddy.
Why is he trying to eat you? He's literally trying to eat you. Oh, take this.
Jenna, no, that's not gonna work.
He's gonna eat it probably. Whoa. Did he just hiss at me? He's just bit the line. I don't know. Where? Whoa. Let us just take it.
Actually, I'll cut the hook. It's not a bad idea. Hey, relax. Relax.
His neck goes out long.
There he goes. That makes for an interesting trip. Whew, so we got that soft shell turtle, guys. That was intense. He kept trying to bite me. We already clipped the treble hooks off of the barbs, so we actually broke the treble hooks with the pliers to get the hook out because his skin was so tough. There was no way to pull that hook out of his skin unless we broke the hook. Then it slid right out. So my hands are so cramped up right now, though. Intense. We're gonna have to change into some long pants and a hoodie because the mosquitoes are crazy.